So hey guys, today we got this Dubai chocolate here as seen on TikTok. So basically, if you don't know what that is, it's chocolate with pistachio and cream and katif filling. And we're gonna go ahead and try it out here today.
What did you think about the chocolate?
Me personally, I love the pistachio flavor. It was really good and it helped the chocolate flavor just pop, and it was creamy and it was just so good.
That's mine too. What did you think about the chocolate?
I really like the chocolate. The texture of the katif in it was like really crunchy and it added texture to the chocolate, so I really did enjoy it.
What did you think about the chocolate yourself?
It was actually pretty good. There's like little pieces of crunchiness that when you're chewing it, you can hear the crunch and everything, and it was actually really good.